Sorry, I forgot to remind you that at the beginning. If you would all stand in support. Shout out to your team.
Let's go, Dad!
And for our parents and fans here, the rules of the league dictate that for the second half here we run the clock, so you won't be seeing the clock stop, okay?
Let's go, Connor! Come on, number 12! Let's go, go, go!
Number 8, Robinson, the ball carrier. Stopped in the backfield by number 56, Miranda.
Best play. That's our best play.
Stopped actually